Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Apple ID without password in two different ways. If you've ever tried to sign out of iCloud or remove an Apple ID from your iPhone but couldn't remember the password, you know how frustrating that can be. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Now, before we talk about removing your Apple ID without the password, let's quickly go over the normal way to delete Apple ID from iPhone when you do have the password. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID profile at the very top. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Once this process is done, your Apple ID will be deleted from the device. But here's the problem. If you forgot the password, you're stuck. That brings us to method number 2. First, go to the official FoneTool website. With FoneTool Unlocker, you can remove screen passcode, Apple ID, screen time passcode, and iTunes backup encryption from your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Download the software to your Windows computer and install it. The setup is very quick. It should be mentioned in particular that FoneTool Unlocker safely removes Apple ID without password, giving you full control of your iPhone and access to all Apple ID features and iCloud settings. Once installed, open the program. You'll see several options in the main interface, including Remove Screen Passcode, Remove Apple ID, Remove iTunes Backup Encryption, and more. Here, choose Remove Unlock Apple ID. And connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Make sure to tap Trust this computer on your device if prompted. The program will automatically detect your device model and iOS version. Read the important notes before removing your Apple ID. If Find My iPhone is disabled, FoneTool Unlocker will remove your Apple ID and you won't lose any data. Then, tap Remove Now to remove your ID from an iPhone without a password. Then set a simple backup password in order to continue, such as 1234. Unlock iPhone screen lock password in order to remove Apple ID without password. FoneTool Unlocker will begin the process of removing the Apple ID linked to your iPhone. This is where the magic happens. Even if you don't remember the password, the tool bypasses the account and deletes it safely. The process usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, your Apple ID will be completely removed from the iPhone. Keep your iPhone connected to your computer while FoneTool Unlocker is removing your Apple ID. It's done. FoneTool Unlocker has successfully deleted your Apple ID account without a password. After your iPhone restarts, simply configure your iPhone and you can use it without restrictions. Open Settings and you will see that FoneTool Unlocker has deleted or logged out of your Apple ID account without a password. You can choose not to log in or log in with a new Apple ID account. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss more tutorials about iPhone and technology. See you in the next video.